the 5-drawer Harbor Freight tool cart. These are the sockets. These are all Harbor Freight sockets. Snap-on, Craftsman, Snap-on, OEM, door panel tool, Cobalt screwdrivers, spud ratchet, 3/8 and half. Another spud ratchet, 3/4 and half. Cobalt bit organizer, long 3/8 snap-on extension. Harbor Freight 25-inch pry bar. Torx set, Allen's adapters, inverted Torx, Snap-on ratcheting screwdriver, another driver from Snap-on, another one from Snap-on, an 8, a 12, 8, 24, and 18 pry bar, an pickup tool, magnetic with a light on it, pocket screwdrivers. First drawer is pliers, vice grips, Craftsman wire strippers, brake and gas line, shut-off tool, cutters from Harbor Freight, Blue Point, oil filter pliers, Craftsman, channel locks, duckbill pliers, vice grips, small vice grips, regular vice grips, regular pliers, the old style hose clamp pliers, Nip-X pliers, Harbor Freight 1/2-inch ratchet, Snap-on 1/2-inch ratchet, Husky ratchet 3/8 flex head, a Snap-on 3/8, another Snap-on 3/8 breaker bar, Snap-on quarter, which I will be getting in green, Snap-on quarter, another Snap-on 1/4-inch breaker bar, Duralast 1/4-inch flex head, regular extensions. Did get the 3-piece. I got a warranty, the 3-inch locking extension from Snap-on. The older Snap-on breaker bar, impact driver, JT23 Blue Point blowgun from the 1/4-inch driver from Gear Wrench, 1/4 to 3/8 adapter from Blue Point, small bit ratchet. Over here we have our 1/4-inch screw gun from Snap-on. The same set of nut drivers that Minions Garage has. Battery, extra battery. 1/4-inch impact from Snap-on. The MG325. Love it. Next drawer, wrenches. This is actually a Stanley. It's a 10-inch. It's got a hammer and a crowbar on the other end. It's a good crescent wrench. Duralast wrenches, a Proto 16-inch crescent wrench of Snap-on, AD12, 12-inch crescent wrench. Down here we have our Cobalt screwdrivers. Those are just some bigger wrenches. Cornwell set of picks, small Harbor Freight hammers, the 14 4-volt USB charger from Snap-on in green. Best set of punches, 2.8-pound dead blow hammer from East Wing, and that's about it, guys.